we're gonna do old school versus new school, since I know you like the NBA scoring.
Okay.
Ballers and stars, let's go. That's up to you.
Shots.
Yeah, but he got some pretty good. Yao, Jermaine. Oh, wow, you got Moses Malone earlier. That'd be a pretty cool idea. I mean, we could probably try it. Moses Malone. We'll go Larry. And one. We'll go Bill. 2. Bucket Park.
Uptown.
Bill
You know,
Russell.
this is where it all happens, and this is where it all starts.
From Larry Bird. Yeah, that's gonna be a good one. On the tip. Oh, that's called highway robbery. That darn ball would just not go down. Score against him. It's gonna be a little all defense game here. It looks. Ooh, get it, bird! Fly like a bird! Can you imagine? Ooh, 13-12.
Snap, crackle.
Pop.
MCs are jumping.
Alright, 15-14, I know. Doing good. Oh my goodness. Man, what happened? Let's get it, legends. Oh. Slam. Yeah, look at that.
Grab your paperback book covers.
Oh boy, 18-10.
You just got schooled.
Yeah. Oh, Larry Bird with the block.
By a 10-piece.
Really caught that out of you. Yao Ming. Got a little bit of handle on him. Ooh. Oh, that's close. Lost the handle there.
Did I just see what I said?
Oh, come on, Larry. Oh, good save. Oh! That was sick. Oh, Yao Ming just got rejected. Oh my.
What are you confused about? Put the ball over his reach and into
Oh, a
the
hook
basket.
from 3. Whoa, hello. Oh. Alright. Oh no. Nice dunk. 26-16. Oh my goodness. Come on, Bill. Come on, Bill. There you go, Bill. I knew he was somewhere. Where was he? Hiding? Oh, my, you got it. Oh, now you don't. Oh, poor Yao. Hey, how'd you get up like that?
On a hot summer day at the barbecue.
A little dizzy there watching that. I got a little dizzy myself.
16.
Oh my. We're running around. Oh. Oh, hello. 20 or 32-19. Corner 3. Oh. Hey, why am I playing like J-Dog? Oh.
Open like a scrambled egg. Yeah.
Nice dunk. Nice dunk.
Ooh. Slippery like moss on a rock.
Air raid. Dunkalicious. Come on, J-Dog. What's it gonna do, buddy? Oh. Can lock it. Ah. Well, it's not exactly an air raid. That was an air ball. Sorry, my friend. Oh.
Oh man.
Uh-oh, here we go.
I lost it again.
You're good. Come on now. Can't give up. Larry Bird. Pass off the backboard to B.Russell.
That was the butter your slickness. Give it up, Boog.
Woo! No. Hoop.
Shut the door. Close it.
Oh,
15.
layup.
King said.
King said, oh my, 15. Oh.
You look like you just lost your best friend. Hey, pick on somebody your own size.
The block party. Everybody invited. Oh, look at this. Ah, well
Slow
done.
down, my man. Slow down. Until the
Slow
table's
it
shaking right now.
down.
Oh. Gotta protect the partner's ass, my man. Got you. It's easy to shoot.
Hard to
It's
score.
hard to score. You got the shot up, but you only
Oh,
want
that
half
was a
the
big
battle.
boy block. Big boy
Roll
dunk.
to your jaw.
But I'll show you.
Oh, yeah.
You just gotta play like a funky piano.
I'll show you.
Turn it up.
Here we go. You got Legends and the Stars. All right, not
See
bad.
ya.
23 blocks. You had more steals than me, though. You had 14 steals. All right, Yao Ming had 16. Larry had 28.